Welcome back to KTCAM design tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple exercise on SolidWorks, and here we learn some basic command. Today draw this type of easy drawing
and learn some features in SolidWorks. Now first of all going to see the sketch dimension. Now going to show the preview of our this exercise. Now this all dimension are in mm. Then first see the length of our object. This one was radius 45, means this total length is 45 into 2 means 90 mm. Then this height is 75, and this whole dimension is 19 drill through or 50 mm position. Then this one was 30 degree. Now first we create this type of 95 mm 90 mm length, 95 mm height, and this width and height is 16 plus 48. Now going to this SolidWorks. Now first of all make the 60 plus 48. This one was 64, means total height. This point to this point 64. Then 90 64 is our extrude. First we make this 90 and 95. Then go to first check the dimension of our object, millimeter. All dimension are in mm. Then going to we make top plane through this our object. Then going to top plane sketch. Then going to select the center rectangle and draw like this. Now right click and drag to select the dimension, or another option is dimension is smart dimension. Click once, then dimension are selected. Now this dimension is 45 into 2 means 90 mm, and this height is 95. One more time see the dimension 95 and 90, and this extrude length is 48. This one 48 into 16. Then exit sketch, feature and extrude. Now this rectangle are extrude, but apply dimension 64. Then done. Okay, this block are completely extrude. Now we make this another extrude. This length of this our 45 mm radius is this point, this one point 220, means first we make this center 20 and radius and another section. Then select this face, sketch, and this sketch are normal. We also draw make a plane and sketch and another other option, but your tree is less than your impression is better. Then sketch this face. Now make don't apply rectangle, center line and center point to right click sketch, and this center line dimension is 20. Now like this, look like this. Then going to first make the line to this point like this. Now line dimension is make as equal, means 2020. Done. And also draw line like this to this. To make our sketch is close, go to mirror entity to mirror means our object, means our entity line or our plane or axis, and select this. Okay, now this half sketch will be done. Then going to make this center point arc and draw like this, but we don't need full circle. Then we also draw in this extrude and another extrude to extrude cut and tree is big. Now we make this one extrude, then go to sketch normal. Now this cut is, this extrude cut is on the our object in this right side. This dimension is this our center line to 10 mm and this angle sum, and we draw like this. Now first of all make one line to like this, and this line dimension is 10 mm like this. Now going to see the 10 mm dimension line to this end joint, then going to SolidWork, joint. Now select this line and make as construction. Now done this one, and this one line also done. Then going to sketch and this height is 20. Then we apply dimension like this. Sorry, one mistake. Right click and delete this relation, and this line is first of all trim this line, trim this also, this line, book selection, okay, and drag line like this. Now done. Then make one line like this. First drag dimension, right click and construction this line. Now done. Now this cut portion is this 10 mm line to this 20. So first make one line to this point, and one more time line like this. Going to trim, select this. Now this portion are cutted properly. Then see, now done. See this one. But now we extrude this sketch. Extrude length is 16. Then going to first OK, extrude, reverse direction, and this one was 16 means 16, and OK. Now see, this our object is extrude, look like some like this. Now this perfectly cutted. Now we forgot this 30-degree angle. Then going to this sketch and edit. Now this 20 mm length we also forget. Then going to SolidWork, and one random line draw like this. Now going to trim, select this also and press escape. Now this one was 30 degree, then going to first normal view, right click and drag this dimension is 20, right click and select this one was vertical, done. Now make one center line to define angle, right click this line and this line angle is 30 degree. Now done and exit sketch, show the problem using sketch feature. Okay, now I think two lines are there. Exit, continue error, close. Now done. One our defined constraint delete. Now see, this our object is look like this. This is our object. Now this 30 degree complete, 95, 20, this all are complete. Now pending option portion is this one 31.8 or this dimension and this chamfer. Then going to this 31.8 mm radius or 28.6 mm extrude cut. Then select this face, sketch, and the sketch are normal and this head this normal. Then going to make as a center point arc, select this one was center and draw like this and select this edge and select this convert entity and make this line are complete. We don't use line and make line, then already line are complete. And now apply this 31.8. now done, exit feature and going to extrude cut. Now show this one was complete. This dimension is 28 point something. We show the dimension 28.6 and 28.6. now done. Now the cut are perfectly done. Then we apply this 19 mm drill and option is through, not deep length. Then going to select this face, sketch, and the sketch are normal. Now going to make center, to make the center line, right click, select, and this dimension is 50 is in, so this in our slide 50 mm position of this our drill. Then going to SolidWork, this point are perfectly apply. Now this diameter is, we make the hole, use hole wizard option. Then going to hole wizard, now select this drill option, hole, and scroll down ANSI metric or ISO standard. Then select drill size. Now going to scroll down and select our dimension 90 and select through all. Then go to this position, select the 3D sketch and drag in our this point. Now these are done. See through all and select OK. Now now somehow problem to make whole this use option whole wizard. Then going to this sketch edit and select the normal and select the circle and draw like this and apply this diameter is 19, exit and go to feature and extrude cut and select this sketch and select option through all and OK. Now the circle are perfectly cut in our object. Now done. Now we make one chamfer on this big side edge behind the view edge. Then this degree is 30 degree. Then dimension is 75 to. Now total dimension is 95, means 95 minus 75, sorry, 95 minus 75 means 20. Then going to SolidWork, going to this option chamfer and select this angle and dimension option. Then select this edge. Now see angle is 45 but we need 30 degree angle and dimension is 20. Now select the dimension 20. Now see this direction is in downward side but we need direction in left side. Then only select the flip direction. Then our chamfer are perfectly done. Okay, then see our chamfer are perfectly done. If you interest in this type of video SolidWork beginner exercise tutorial, then like video, share with your friends and also subscribe for more tutorials.